Are there any spirits that wish to communicate with us? My name is Virgil. I'm here with my nephew Arian. We're at Crybaby Bridge in Millington, Maryland, Smyrna, Delaware.
Swing.
There is a rope swing behind me, yes.
It just said your name.
Did it?
As I walked right here.
I thought I heard it.
It went Virgil, and then just I don't know after that it was.
Thank you when they communicate. Thank it for speaking with you.
Thank you for speaking with me. Do you want to continue communicating, or do you not?
This said crash and violent. Could month.
Crash and violent. I could see.
So maybe there was a violent crash on this bridge.
Yeah, I could see that relating to this bridge because of all the violence and stuff that probably happened.
I said where we were. I said, my name is Virgil. I'm with my nephew Arian. We're at Crybaby Bridge in Millington, Maryland, Smyrna, Delaware. This came across and said swing, and there is the rope swing behind us.
Yeah, I know. I heard you say that as it said Virgil 2 seconds after you said yes, there's a swing behind there.
Yeah. Is there anybody else that would like to communicate with us? You could come through this spirit box here. You can also touch the device that's on the ground there. You can go up to it and it will light up and make noises. It won't hurt you.
I'm trying.
I'm trying, it said.
I heard that too. Did you say my name? My name is Arian.
Thank you for trying. Like I said, you can go up to that device and...
Institution.
Institution. You can go up to that device and you can touch it. You can make it go off and light up.
Cupboard.
Well, thank you for communicating with us. I appreciate that.
They're having a full-on conversation with each other. All I hear in the middle of it is walking, and I'm like, could that be me? I just freeze for a second, because I'm like, oh.
Okay, I'm going to try a different method for us to communicate. I'm going to try a different app here, so I'll be right back. I'm not leaving.